On this video, we're going to discuss access to MetTel's voice portal. Access to MetTel's voice portal is through our single sign-on, which is Okta. To access Okta, you will browse to mettel.okta.com and enter in your email address and the password that you have set up. If you forgot your password, by default, you can recover your password by selecting Need Help Signing In, as shown here. Click on the Forgot Password, enter in your email address, which is your username, and select Reset via email. I'll do that now. And an email address, and an email will be sent to your personal email with a link to click on to start the recovery process. There are additional methods, as you saw on that previous screen, to reset via SMS and or voice call. We will go over that once I log into the Okta portal. At this time, I'm logged into the Okta portal, and based off of what we've set up for you, you'll see your applications. In this demo, we're talking about voice portal, so you see the voice portal application that's here. And we will talk about clicking on this in a second, but first we want to go over the additional methods for setting up recovery methods. As discussed before, the recovery methods can be forgot password, so you'll add a telephone number here. And you can also have a call made. So here is a telephone number which is associated to a cell phone where you would receive a text, an SMS. And this ultimately could be the same number for a cell phone or some other endpoint. It's very straightforward. Add a phone number. You will receive a SMS. You put in the SMS value that you received and hit verify. For this video, I won't do that, but this is the process to set up a SMS recovery endpoint. Same thing with the voice call. They're all straightforward and accessible here underneath your account, going to settings, and scrolling down to the forgot password text message or forgot password by voice call. Jumping back into the applications and getting access into voice portal, simply click on the application. Once you've logged into mettel.okta.com, you can select any one of your applications and jump directly into them through our single sign-on platform. You will never need to access voice portal through this URL displayed here. This is simply the pass-through URL that is provided through our single sign-on. So again, I want to make sure that that point is very clear. To access MetTel's voice portal, you will always access it through mettel.okta.com. That is MetTel's single sign-on. That's where all authentication is set. You cannot access the voice portal via the voiceportal.mettel.net URL.